Nano da program chinchirenche course wo Ghana memo haseya enam so ema the president and Akufo the Republic of Ghana ekopiem ho no man ranti binimo ende away ende go ende who ende so wo huru na ende program no ede global citizen eno anenam so ene Hopeson Addo ono so etu franka edema MPP amemo no call interview we bisa na watch much the same kam ya kwa se baba Sadiq ono so ndisa amemo no ka ho bi onim A to Z ede ana like ede no nim ho nina ne se Hopeson Addo chiri mo akire o chiri mo akire se baba Sadiq ka ho bi ana wo ma boys bia wobehu the president ni sikase won fanto nzofangu wombo na ni na mu na memman afre na nim se de ka na zango de na memman pa na onima ene honum na memman bi afre na enumu ana memmen dey United Showbiz ekokoso a baba Sadiq ekopiem wo honum a wo frɛ Hopeson Addo ye ebisa no mu nsemu enchiremu ye sa awo evidence and asesa oni evidence yenko na yenko ti nsemu mu enchiremu bi emba
ananyu menkomo ayedi wudin abepiem se eye dwumadie global citizen festival ekoso ya mampanyi eba ase ede nanu disim nanu disembe to dwai yete ehu nsenkrofo bi bu no said the brofo no ebe kan krofo bi ye se katetena ka bakato away na yete se wo say eye sankrofo no mu free fadama wadaroma eyampa se wo kan sa
yo me da say ye dikai no mo programming all the time me ne munyina na wie there was a time I'm up after one, they go to Menumunina, and all the time. Now, Baba Sadiq, why not say overshow disrespect, over insult to me? No, my may bomb by say, me fear number two, no, Yango Pons permanent draw. So, number one, main casa in a vacuum. Now, what Cassin Bintino may ye do maybe. Me say, take me the whole year, I will do that work. But move here, who's anywhere. The voice, near man warrior, this answer will name 2 cities.
But
you will be on my friend of 2 cities. What him nana?
Oh, Fadama Hemfa.
But 2 cities, Fadama or Hemfa.
They say, oh, Fadama, 2 cities, or no, go see so. Or no, I know a man of face. I know what's one yet. Bisan so ni onima tu. There were you can say me record what you say me party obetima tena ho adwananum aka ne obedia but fear be no kwebedadi etimi no me ntoa so me nkasentia no owo na you can say obetima di matem se ni ope so ye bia no obetima ye ema me ma emekasem a me ni hu adansie me pa ni hu adansie bibinti me sen ka message ni voice gama mutisi aba bibinti
on Sunday
we are discuss here ye pese better ni nyina
on Sunday
baba Sadiq ye bema na hu senyo ne ma me boni din no ne ma me boni din ni say wo ye industry prayer sa program here by you stand to benefit more. One in the 2 year work as a case of pass. Oh, yes, he and unfortunate. He said, okay. Yes, President was good. That was very loud. And in the guy come.
He didn't want you much.
I don't ever know what you see, guys. Eti, Nadame, me, and coming, Gassa on cry, but Mashada Mabaso. Me say, me fear now, Medino, or Mompires overdraw. That's number one. Number two, and baby a bit taking Indiano. The whole Ghana will be able to nuclear was at a women. Naname, Moji, a brand stone boy. Mo show no. Look at the crowd. What ye, most any video no for. Nasa compare near Umuya Yana, now man for a young cat, Ebia, Amab Obia, say you know. I am telling you, me, I am speaking to a fact, me say. Very soon, the whole word ebe sasem we nukra ewum wo de nya botre boko eti kakra wo de beti makani
kakra wadarama
me da si bebre
me pacho wo dwumadie no wo hwe dwumadie na ekoso no a obia keke entimi nsori enkogina ho ana sentimi nkwa se okohwe bi keke me pacho ma me kasenye wadarama
se nanka meka omo yi ho a are you telling me say me ntimi nya complimentary ticket and now me agasa me ntimi fa be phone answer questions and to touch ticket in fa mangrove
Mr. Addo,
yes.
One say, Enipana, it was more than 70, right? Or no, said the okay, now say Nipano about 75 people.
They say the point from the unit say, a man for me be a comu, a be a candy say, or move be a gate microphone be comu. Nothing.
Program no organizer.
You go for that gate. You go for that gate. And what went on there, no? And I make us say, would you win about treble? I want to put everything together. Okay. Or no, who said that you may.
Mr. Addo, program no not a free, but also online. Now, feeling your man one
last minute. Or move be a month for new one or move. And aside that, you know, well, no, because of say we industry prayer, no, when you access to the organizers. So we are no. It is a so what didn't go for come there, are they? Say maybe economic country be organizing go for Katadia kwa. Say to organize on Modiako. So we are no.
Okay,
I am not talking to that. My concern was that you are an industry player. We are industry player. So you stand to benefit more than even the president. So why should that happen? It is as now.
Yeah, but
we don't have the right to say it.
Baba also what is
Who said you keep quiet whilst I talk because I also kept quiet. Me, you know, Fadama. Then the next lane after Chief Imam, go school Abekaharu. In Fadama assistants now, I'll call to find out. I don't know anybody called 2 cities and Achu. For instance, Mr. Fadama Hemfa. Because maybe he's confusing things. And second, we also know say, oh, so then meet him call online and I tickets. You see, the life of a liar. He doesn't even understand that the ticket, you cannot actually even buy tickets. The way the event was structured, you need to go online and get 75 tickets. You have to take an action. And action.
Baba Ebi, I was 75 plantain.
Oh, come on. You see, there's something called an IP that he doesn't know. I took my time and understood. Look, even his people in government are telling me, say, look, forget about this guy. This guy is not well. These people in government, they look at you and say, forget about this guy. Why? Because I'm only vice president and I won't obey Jao. And that's the point that I'm saying that when you go on, please, you look at the young man who is hardworking. I'm not just an industry player. I invest in industry. And Socrate is here. Ask them. One of the people I was standing with there, right behind the president, was Mark. One of the things I don't play with, or I don't play politics with, is industry matters, my industry. I'm a key investor in industry consistently. And bro, will tell you, say, I've lived my life with a certain silver lining of purpose, where at every point in time, I'm creating value, not only for myself, but for industry. Nanama, what was the first time you...
Abusia Hopeson Addo and a cotton in the behind in 7 months more and a devil some more. Our attention team. I mean, can say you are still watching Attention TV. Keep subscribing to the YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, like, comment, and also share.